This presentation on Texas data centers, the premier location for IT performance, is brought to you by CyrusOne. Why do providers favor Texas data centers? It's for a number of reasons. Texas offers a number of factors with a positive impact on overall IT performance. Over the past few years, Texas has become the premier data center market. As electricity is one of the most attractive attributes and a large reason for the initial industry growth, several additional reasons exist for why this market continues to boom. Some of these include very low probability of natural disaster, central geographic location, statewide green initiatives, stable, inexpensive, and abundant power, extensive talent pool, one of the lowest cost of living indexes in the U.S., low carrier latency, and CNBC ranked the overall market #1 for business in 2010. A Texas data center can leverage all of these benefits and more. It's very possible to deploy new technologies, reduce IT expenses, and increase operating performance. The following tactics can help all data center providers, but especially those located in the Lone Star State. Conserve power. New technologies are using power more efficiently. Server density is increasing, and this trend will continue as energy costs increase and Texas data centers look for greener solutions. Texas data centers operators need to compare the cost of energy consumed by older technologies to the cost involved in replacing equipment with newer, more energy efficient solutions. Consolidate. To make the best use of data center space, you should consolidate your IT resources as much as possible. Virtualization is another trend having a positive effect on space and power requirements. Disaster recovery. When moving into a data center, you need to develop a disaster recovery plan. Texas data center operators with multiple facilities help you create flexible IT operations with the necessary duplication. Connectivity. Work with your Texas data center to lower your connectivity costs. Your data center provider has most likely purchased wholesale internet and point-to-point connectivity. They can therefore offer an affordable solution to their customers. The best scenario is to use Texas data center provider that is carrier neutral. This arrangement gives you the flexibility to use the provider's carriers on your own, whichever is in your best interest in terms of reliability and cost. Texas is especially fortunate to have numerous network providers operating within the state. Human resources. A Texas data center requires specialized expertise. Without a large pool of technical talent, a data center provider would not be able to offer the highest levels of performance. However, Texas has no shortage of exceptional IT resources for around-the-clock live staffing and monitoring of data center environments. In the past several years, Texas has become the hotspot for standalone and co-located enterprise data centers. The state has its own power grid and cheaper electricity than other major internet markets. CyrusOne operates 10 data centers, 4 data center facilities in Dallas, 3 in Houston, 2 in Austin, and 1 in San Antonio. Opening its doors in 2000, CyrusOne has a large part of the Texas boom and has become the largest enterprise co-location provider in Texas. About the author. Nicole Aguilar is a marketing director for CyrusOne, a global enterprise co-location provider operating 23 highly secure data centers across the United States, London, and Singapore. Learn about a data center move by visiting us at cyrusone.com today.